Hi, I'm Mackenzie. This is a day in my life as an NSCC Cabinetmaking and Woodworking Techniques student. This is our workshop. I decided to do the cabinet making program here at Pictou campus after graduating from the carpentry program at Strait Area campus. I really enjoy doing the carpentry program, especially finish carpentry and working on details, so I wanted to learn more about that side of carpentry. So the cabinet making program has been awesome. Today, I'm working on a kitchen cabinet piece called a blind corner cabinet. This type of cabinet usually has extra storage space that you can't see from the outside. My class is small, so I've gotten to know my instructor and classmates well. There is a lot of teamwork and learning from each other, and my instructor Steve has a lot of knowledge and is great to learn from. I'm using the painting booth to stain a cabinet door I made. Time for lunch with my classmates in the campus cafeteria. Back in the shop to do some more detailed work with hand tools. These are some pieces I've worked on as side projects: a wooden box for my chisels and a cutting board. Here is my final cabinet, ready to install. Thanks for watching.